Hold on, I dropped my marker. Ah. Okay. Hey y'all. I'm sorry. I dropped my marker. So today's lesson. Hey.
Hey, you got an auditorium.
Oh, good.
Oh, I just interrupted your thing.
It's okay. Everybody say hi, Mr. Buck.
Hey, Mr. Buck. All right. All right. Yes. Auditorium today. I'm working on Friday.
Awesome.
Okay.
You rock. Okay. Sorry. The objective for today is exponent intro. Just a little bit about exponents. We're going to really focus with the negative in the exponent. So the big number is called your base, and the little number is your exponent. So whatever your base is, that's the number you use the exponent number of times. So 5 to the third is 555, 3 times, equals 125. So in dealing with negatives, sometimes it's sometimes it's in the base, and sometimes it's on the outside. So what that means is, let me give you an example. Here's a situation, -3 to the second power. The base is really 3 to the second power, so just the 3. So you would look at it without the negative. 3 to the second power is 9, so this means 3 times 3. And then you have this negative, so it would be -9. The negative stays on the outside and then it comes over. In this example, the negative is inside the parentheses. So your base is -3, which means you do -3 times -3. And a negative times a negative is a positive, so this one would be +9. They look almost identical except for the position of the parentheses. If the negative is on the outside of the parentheses or no parentheses, then you just bring the negative over. If the negative is on the inside of the parentheses, that means that is your base, so you have to bring it over with the number. Okay, so example, simplify the following. So we've got lots of examples for you to copy down. All right, A, -8 to the second power. This is your base because it's inside the parentheses, so this means -8 times -8. And a negative times a negative is a positive, so this would be +64. B, -5 to the third power. It is your base, it's inside the parentheses, so you would include it. -5 times -5 times -5. -5 times -5 is a +25. Bring this down. And 25 times -5 actually gives us a -125. So your answer over here is negative. C, -2 to the fourth power. There are no parentheses, so your base is just the 2. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So your answer would be -16 because you bring your negative down. It's not the base. Okay, number 4, -9 to the second power. This would be 9 times 9 is 81. And then you bring that negative down, so it becomes -81. So I'm hoping you're seeing the difference between when the negative is included in the base and when the negative is not. So you try E and F. I want you to try it. Pause it, try it, like really on your own, and then press play. So on E, the negative is not included, so you do 10 times 10, which is 100, and then you bring your negative down, so it's -100. And F, it is included, so it's -11 times -11, which is +121, and that is because the base is actually -11. Alright, so evaluate the expressions and remember your order of operations. Remember, you have to follow the order of operations. In this first one, do my exponents. So 7 squared is 49, and 49 plus 5 is 54. Alright, so I did my exponents and then I added. Letter B, first you have to do your exponent. This negative is included in the base, so this is really -4 times -4, which is 16. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. Alright. Letter C. Negative 6 to the second power. This is not included. So you would do 6 times 6, which is 36. But it's going to be negative 36. And then over here, negative 3, that is included. So we know it's negative 3 times negative 3, and that is 9. We're almost done. Negative 36 divided by 9 is going to give you a negative 4 because the signs are different. All right, more expressions. Remember to follow your order of operations. Over here, we have to do our parentheses first. So negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Bring everything else down. It's in parentheses. And because it's in parentheses, that means it's our base. So negative 3 squared means negative 3 times negative 3, so that's 9. And now we subtract, and 9 minus 10 is negative 1. Letter E. First we do our exponent, so it's included, so negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4. 4 plus 6. You have to do the top before you can divide because you can't divide yet, so we have to do 4 plus 6, and that's 10. And then 10 over 5 is 2. All right, F. First we do our exponent, 4 squared, and that is going to be 16. Write everything else down. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then 8 divided by negative 8, the signs are different, so that's going to be a negative 1. All right, I want you to try G. You try. And my class leaders, whoever those are, remind me, and I will, whoever can get this one correct, I will give one piece of candy tomorrow in class. So you try, please, G. Work it out, follow the order of operations, and hopefully you come out with an answer.